Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a quick review and demonstration of these Fahren headlights. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, but this company recently sent these out to me for this review. Specifically, they call these the Terminator headlights. These are LEDs, so this is going to be a huge upgrade for my Honda Civic. For my Honda Civic, we're using the 9006 and then the 9005. And here's some information on the side of the box just in case, but let's go ahead unbox this. So they give you some gloves right here to help install it. And then we get a little package. I'll open that up in just 1 second. But here are the actual headlights. All right, so this is the 9005. It feels very sturdy. This all feels like actual metal. You could see the LED right there, and I guess some little holes right here for ventilation. You can even see a little fan on it, I guess to help cool it down. This is the 9006. It basically looks identical. So we're gonna go ahead and install these into my car, and I'll give you a before and an after of what these do. So here's the before. These are my old incandescent headlights in my Honda Civic. The brights were on, and now these are the normal headlights. And I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. It's not the brightest, and I've definitely had some issues seeing in this car at night. So here are my new headlights. This is the normal mode. These aren't even my brights yet, and those are my brights. It was extremely bright, and I even took it for a test drive, and I was very surprised. So anyways, I think these are awesome, and that's my quick review.